This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro versus the iPhone XS Max. Now the Mate 20 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980 and 6 gigs of RAM. XS Max has the A12 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has a faster boot up. Let's go. I'm gonna give the boot up win to the Mate 20 Pro. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Mate 20. Messages. Mate 20 again. Camera. Very close on this one. Start the clock on both. Leave that running in the background. Chrome and Safari. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar on top and give that to the Mate 20. Scroll through this and we'll go to the desktop version. And give this to the Mate 20 Pro. Pinch to zoom, nice and butter on the iPhone. Same thing on the Mate 20. I don't know what the hell that is. Leave it on that page. Calculator on both. Play Store and App Store. Give this to the Mate 20. Click on an app. Amazon Shopping. Mate 20 on this. Click on the deal of the day. Whoops. eBay. Give this to the Mate 20 Pro again. Click on the Samsung Gear S3. Super Mario Run. Loading on the Mate 20 Pro. And give this to the Mate 20. Tap to begin. iPhone a little bit faster running the game. Temple Run 2. Temple Run 2 Spirits Cove. Looks like the Mate 20 is ahead. We'll confirm that right now. And give this to the Huawei. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Mate 20 Pro is ahead. Will the iPhone catch up? It does not, and give the win to the Mate 20 Pro on this one. Asphalt 9. Give this to the Mate 20. Tap the play button. PUBG. Looks like the iPhone's ahead here by a tad. iPhone's loading. Will the Mate 20 catch up? No, it does not. I'm gonna give this to the iPhone XS Max. As you can see, San Andreas. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar, Mate 20 is way ahead. I'm gonna give this to the Huawei. Twitter on both. Mate 20 Pro. iPhone lagging a little bit. Instagram. Mate 20 again. Snapchat. Mate 20. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, as you can see. So let's just see what happens right now. Starting with Instagram. Good to go. Twitter. Good to go again. And let's see, San Andreas. Ready to play on both. PUBG. Good to go. Asphalt 9. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Angry Birds 2. Good to go. Temple Run 2. paused and ready to resume on both phones. Super Mario Run. Good to go. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store and App Store, same place. Calculator. No reloads. The browsers, I don't know what this is. Clock still running in the background. Camera, good to go on both. Messages. Ooh, a little bit of a slowdown on the XS Max. And the phone app, faster on the Mate 20. Boom. So hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you an Apple iSheep rocking the iPhone XS or the XS Max or the iPhone XR? Or do you have yourself the Huawei Mate 20 Pro? This phone coming in with a massive 40 megapixel camera, a very nice curved display, a nice and speedy Kirin 980 chipset, 6 or 8 gigs of RAM. This one is the blue and purple colorway. As you can see, looks pretty nice along with this contrasty kind of red power button right there. Do love that. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.